Hey, this is Ben, and I have here the EGR replacement vacuum battery for the V8 series vacuums and the SV10 vacuum. So let's open it up and see what's inside. The company did send this over to me and is compensating me to make this video. So first off, we have the HEPA filters. Here is the close-up look so you can compare with the factory version, and there are two of these. We have the replacement pre-filters. You can compare this with the original factory version, and it is identical. There are three of these, and this also comes with screwdriver and the 3 screws that you will need to secure the battery to the vacuum. You can use the old screws, but in case you lose some, it's handy to have these extras, and it's handy to have this screwdriver included in case you don't have one nearby. And finally, there is the replacement battery itself. Here's a full look at the battery so you can see that it will match your old battery and fit into your vacuum. The battery does come with some charge in it. And again, here is all that is included with the replacement battery pack. The 3 pre-filters, 2 HEPA filters, the battery, 3 screws, and a screwdriver. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.